What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ss back again with another video. Today I'll be doing y'all POV. I'm gonna try to get y'all sounds of exhaust clips and shit like that. But let's get into the video. Let's get y'all guys a cold start. Hopefully my phone don't connect to the damn car, because if it do, it start this recording. So we're back in the Camaro. Yeah, I'm gonna let it idle up, let it warm up a little bit, let the stuff get the pump in, and then I'm gonna be back real quick for y'all. Just like that. Let's get this video started. Chat. That motherfucker loud as hell. That motherfucker loud as hell, chat. I was just gonna go chat, but when I start press record, a car was coming. I'm gonna give y'all a light acceleration. I'm gonna try to activate performance mode because right now I am in track mode. I'm gonna activate track mode. Well, hello, that ain't make sense. I'm gonna activate performance mode. I think that's what they call it. Let me see. Y'all will see right. Damn. Y'all will see right here. Wait for it. Motherfucking car right now, yeah. I'm gonna do it right here. It won't do it. It's weird how it works, but like, I don't know. It'll activate once you like hit the gas a certain way. But I'm gonna pick y'all up when I'm downshifting. factory tune, by the way, chat. Factory tune. It ain't even tuned. Like, I want to get it tuned, but like, you know, I got future plans, and I'm really debating if I want to tune this car away. Damn, they cleaning this shit up. Chat, this shit was all fucked up, to be real. This shit was all fucked up. Like, it was trees, like, due to the Hurricane Helena, all this shit was covered up. Like, let's see, I want to see if I can get y'all guys some revs real quick. So, I'm gonna park back here. If I get y'all guys some revs. I'm gonna go by this side. Pick y'all back up when I get y'all set up. Okay, chat. I got the, as y'all can see the view, I'm gonna pull up a little bit. Hell yeah, chat. Now it's time. You know, if you know, you know. It's time to get the hell out. But hopefully the audio picked that up. Hopefully the audio picked that up. Because if it didn't, I'm low-key blowed. You know what I'm saying? I would low-key be blowed if the audio didn't pick that up. That was a lot of hard work and dedication right there, chat. And like, this video was scratched, but I'm gonna cut it to it like so it'd be like straight to the point. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I'm driving again. Yeah. I was listening to music. Alright. I'm gonna give y'all some outside sound without trying to disturb these people's peace. I low-key feel bad for them people. Fucking up their piece. Already? They're gonna be first gear. That shit loud as hell. I know it's loud as hell on the outside. That performance should activate. Y'all just seen that it did it, and like you can feel when it do it because for one it tell you. bad for these people. Because they could be asleep. They probably got to get ready for work or something. And I'm just driving through their neighborhood loud as shit. Make some noise for y'all guys. Y'all a little small acceleration. Up, by the way. Roll the window down so I'll hit them barrels a little better. Oh shit, too far. They fixed that road. What the hell? I don't even know where it goes. I should have found out. I should have found out where it go in the chat. I should have found out where it go down there. Yeah, I'm gonna find out where the fuck it goes. Fuck that shit. Cause at one point, chat, this whole fucking road was broke down. Like it was in a damn over there in a ditch. To a main road. Like if I had to guess, I don't know what the fuck. Yeah, I do. But I'm gonna just turn around right here, chat. You know, type shit. Always slow down above here because you don't know what's on the other side. straight pot. As y'all can see, dual tips. Like, and mine came with dual tips from factory. I would recommend going dual tips. They just look good anyway, hands down. Sounds good also. As you can hear, chat. As y'all can see, I'm about out of gas. And best believe I'm not going to get gas. I'm actually going to go right back home. I'll get gas later if I go somewhere. There you go. You see how I just did that? Y'all should see how them people looking at me right now. Y'all should see how them people looking at me, gang. I think they like it. Y'all think they like it, chat? I like it. Even now, they don't. They might like it. They might like it. They're a little older, so they might not like it. Let me see. They over there, chat. I don't know if y'all can see them. So, guys, this will be the end of the POV drive. I was just at a stop sign and the kid was like, rev it. I should have recorded it, but like I was busy doing something. But make sure y'all guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Comment down below if y'all want to know the POV drive or not. Fuck it.